Have you ever felt like you're running a race where the finish line keeps moving? You look around and see everyone else seemingly crossing it, buying the houses, getting the promotions, displaying the highlight reels of a perfect life. Meanwhile, you're standing still, wondering where you went wrong. You feel like a failure because your bank account doesn't reflect your effort, and your reality doesn't match your dreams. But what if I told you that you are measuring success with the wrong ruler? What if the signs of your victory are already present, but you've been taught to ignore them? Today, we are going to look at 5 signs that you are more successful than you think. Sign 1. You have gained emotional control. There was a time when a single rude comment or a minor setback could ruin your entire week. You were a slave to your environment, reacting to every external spark. But look at you now. You still feel the heat, but you no longer let it burn you down. You have learned the power of the pause. Success is not the absence of problems. It is the ability to remain calm in the center of the storm. If you can control your internal state while the world outside is in chaos, you have achieved a level of mastery that money cannot buy. Sign 2. Your health is your priority. We are taught to sacrifice our bodies for our bank accounts, only to spend our bank accounts later trying to buy back our health. If you have chosen sleep over late-night scrolling, if you choose water over poison and movement over stagnation, you are winning. $1 million is worthless to a man who cannot get out of bed. By protecting your physical temple, you are ensuring that when the financial success arrives, you will actually be there to enjoy it. Health is the silent wealth that the world realizes too late. Sign 3. You have found clarity in the noise. We live in the age of distraction. Most people are moving at 1,000 miles an hour toward a destination they don't even like. Success is the courage to stop. It is the clarity to know what you want, and more importantly, what you no longer care about. If you have stopped trying to impress people you don't like and started focusing on the things that actually make your soul feel light, you have bypassed years of unnecessary struggle. Clarity is the ultimate shortcut. Sign 4. Your circle has become smaller and deeper. We used to measure success by the number of people who knew our name. Now we measure it by the quality of the people who actually know our heart. If you have moved away from shallow networking and moved toward deep, authentic connection, you are wealthy. Success is having a few people who would pick up the phone at 3 a.m. without hesitation. A small, loyal circle is a fortress. A massive, shallow one is just a distraction. Sign 5. You are still here. This is the sign we often overlook. You have been through storms that no one knows about. You have faced silent battles, nights of doubt, and moments where you wanted to give up. Yet, you chose to keep going. Resilience is the highest form of success. The fact that you are watching this, seeking growth, and refusing to settle, proves that your spirit is still undefeated. Financial gain is just a lagging indicator. It follows the man or woman who refuses to quit. The truth is, financial success is a byproduct. It is the fruit that grows on the tree of character, health, and peace. If you focus only on the fruit, you will neglect the roots, and the tree will eventually fall. But if you nourish the roots, your mind, your body, and your peace, the fruit will come in its own time, and it will be sweeter than you ever imagined. You aren't failing, you are building. You are growing in the dark, and soon you will bloom in the light. Stop being so hard on yourself. Look at how far you've come, not just how far you have to go. You are already successful in the ways that matter most. The rest is just a matter of time. If this message reached you at the right time, subscribe to Mr. Inner Peace. Let's keep building this foundation of quiet power together.
Comment "I am winning" below if you've realized your true value today.